had enough. I don't want to go to school anymore. Why? What happened? You need to go to school for more studies. Every time I get to school, I get bullied. And after the class too. And when a bully says to teacher or principal that she hit me, I get detention. Oh, don't worry. I have an idea, darling. Come here, but don't tell anyone. Oh. This is my chance. In school. Hey nerd, what's up? Are you nervous? I heard that you told the principal that I hated you yesterday. Who asked? You little? Bro, he got roasted. I can't breathe. He got roasted, Hammy. I know, right? Emotional damage.